Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn about data science. To begin, focus on foundational knowledge. Grasp core concepts like statistics and probability, which are essential for interpreting data. Next, learn a versatile programming language such as Python or R. Python is widely used for its extensive libraries. Finally, explore fundamental data structures and algorithms to efficiently process information. These initial steps lay a solid groundwork for your journey. Once you have the basics, dive into essential tools. Master data manipulation using powerful libraries like Pandas, crucial for cleaning and transforming datasets. Visualize your findings effectively with tools such as Matplotlib or Seaborn, making complex data understandable. Beyond tools, cultivate strong analytical skills, including problem-solving and critical thinking. These abilities are vital for extracting meaningful insights from vast amounts of information. Next, explore the exciting world of machine learning. Grasp fundamental concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning, which dictate how models learn from data. Understand common algorithms such as linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees for prediction and classification tasks. Practice building simple predictive models using libraries like scikit-learn. This practical application solidifies your understanding of how machines learn and make decisions. To truly master data science, hands-on experience is key. Apply your knowledge to real-world data projects, perhaps analyzing public datasets or creating a personal portfolio. Participate in online competitions on platforms like Kaggle to challenge yourself and learn from others. Finally, remember that data science is a rapidly evolving field. Continuously stay updated with new technologies, research papers, and industry trends to remain competitive and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.